Namaste. Welcome to this session of our ongoing Ayurveda series. Today we will explore the Pitta and Kapha body types. Understanding the Ayurvedic concepts of Pitta and Kapha body is essential for achieving balance and harmony within oneself. In Ayurveda, which translates to the essence of life, it is believed that each individual possesses a unique combination of three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. These doshas govern various physiological and psychological functions in the body, and an imbalance in any of them can lead to illness and disease. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the characteristics of Pitta and Kapha body types, how to identify them, and some practical tips on how to maintain balance and well-being. Before diving into Kapha and Pitta types, it is crucial to understand the concept of doshas. According to Ayurveda, doshas are the energies that govern the physical, mental, and emotional characteristics of an individual. Each dosha is made up of 2 out of the 5 elements: ether, air, fire, water, and earth, and possesses specific qualities. The Vata dosha is governed by air and ether. Vata is responsible for movement, creativity, and communication. That is when it is balanced. Vata individuals are energetic, they are creative and enthusiastic. However, imbalance can lead to anxiety, insomnia, and digestive issues as well. Pitta dosha, on the other hand, is governed by fire and water. Pitta controls metabolism, digestion, and transformation in the body. Pitta individuals are typically ambitious, driven, and intelligent when balanced. Imbalances may manifest as anger, inflammation, and digestive disorders. Kapha dosha is governed by earth and water. Kapha provides structure, stability, and lubrication to the body. Kapha individuals are often strong, steady, and compassionate. Imbalances can lead to lethargy, weight gain, and respiratory problems. So, understanding the Pitta body type embodies the qualities of fire and water, making individuals with predominant Pitta characteristics intense, focused, and goal-oriented. There are some key characteristics of Pitta body types. When you talk about their physical characteristics, they are usually medium built with a well-defined musculature, warm body temperature, and often they feel hot, especially in warm climates. They have sharp facial features with penetrating eyes and often have a ruddy complexion. Thick, lustrous hair that may prematurely gray or thin out due to excess heat. They are prone to sweating and have a strong body odor when imbalanced. When you talk about their mental and emotional characteristics, they're very sharp, intellect, strong and analytical abilities, and decision-making skills. They are very ambitious, competitive, and driven to succeed. They can be perfectionist and may become irritable or impatient when things don't go as planned. They are passionate and assertive with a tendency towards leadership goals. Prone to anger, frustration, and criticism when imbalanced. The diet and lifestyle recommendations would be to emphasize cooling, hydrating foods such as fresh fruits, vegetables, and grains. It's better to avoid spicy, oily, and acidic foods that can aggravate pitta. Practice stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises. They have to maintain a regular routine for meals, sleep, and exercise to promote balance. Spending time in nature and engaging in activities that can promote relaxation and enjoyment is recommended. When you look into the Kapha body type, Kapha dosha embodies the qualities of earth and water, making individuals with predominant Kapha characteristics grounded, stable, and nurturing. Some key characteristics of such body types, when you look at the physical characteristics, they are solid, sturdy, built with a tendency towards weight gain, especially in the hips and thighs. Thick, oily skin that is soft and smooth to the touch. Their large expressive eyes with thick eyelashes and full lips. Thick, wavy that is often shiny and lustrous. Slow metabolism and sluggish digestion leads to a tendency for weight gain. Mental and emotional characteristics are calm, patient, and compassionate nature, with a natural inclination towards caregiving roles. Stable and reliable with strong sense of loyalty and commitment. They tend to be sentimental and nostalgic, cherishing traditions and family connections. They may resist change and be slow to adapt to new situations and environments. They are prone to lethargy, depression, and attachment when they are imbalanced. As far as diet and lifestyle goes, it is good to emphasize on light, warming foods like whole grains, legumes, and bitter greens. Minimize heavy, oily, and sweet foods that can exacerbate Kapha imbalances. Engage in regular physical activity, focus on dynamic and invigorating exercises. Establish a consistent sleep schedule and aim for a very restful night's sleep. Cultivate a sense of purpose and engage in creative pursuits to stimulate the mind and spirit. So, how do you balance Pitta and Kapha? While understanding our predominant dosha, it can provide valuable insights into our inherent tendencies and vulnerabilities. It's essential to remember that everyone possesses all three doshas to varying degrees. Therefore, achieving balance involves harmonizing all three doshas rather than suppressing or overemphasizing onto one. Some general tips for balancing the Pitta and Kapha doshas would include maintaining a balanced lifestyle, establishing a daily routine that includes adequate rest, regular exercise, and time for relaxation. Avoid overworking and excessive stimulation, which can aggravate Pitta. Cultivate mindfulness and self-awareness to recognize early signs of imbalance. Follow a balanced diet. Eat fresh, whole foods that are locally sourced and in season as well. Favor the foods that are light, nourishing, and easy to digest. Experiment with herbs and spices that help pacify Pitta and Kapha imbalances, such as coriander, fennel, and turmeric. engage in mind-body practices like yoga, meditation, and pranayama, which is breath work, to calm the mind and balance the doshas. It's good to spend time in nature, connecting with the elements and grounding yourself in the present moment. Cultivate positive relationships and surround yourself with supportive, like-minded individuals. Seeking professional guidance is important, like consulting an Ayurvedic practitioner or healthcare provider to develop a personalized wellness plan based on your unique constitution and imbalances. Consider Ayurvedic treatments such as Panchakarma therapy or herbal remedies, lifestyle counseling to address specific concerns. To conclude, providing valuable insights to your inherent strengths, weaknesses, and tendencies are very much recommended. Once you know your predominant doshas, lifestyle practices that support them can cultivate optimal health and well-being on all levels, which is physical, mental, and emotional. Through mindful self-awareness, conscious choices, and a holistic approach to wellness, we can embrace our true nature and thrive in alignment with the principles of Ayurveda. I hope that this guide would serve you as a guide in your journey of wellness. Thank you for your attention, and I would like you to share, subscribe, and like. More importantly, do post your valuable comments on this channel so that we can create more such content according to your liking. Thank you once again, and see you the next time. Namaste.